Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new around here, hi, I'm Janine from happystylishfit.com, where I give tips and tricks to help you live a happy and healthy lifestyle. Today I am going to teach you all about the Simply Earth Essential Oil DIY recipe box. So it is a monthly subscription box where every month you're going to get 4 oils and 6 recipes to teach you different ways of how you can incorporate essential oils and wellness into the products that you use in your home. So this month, March, is the wellness themed box. So the 4 oils we got this time are blood orange, which I love citrus scents so much. And it says here it is an uplifting oil that is helpful for relieving tension and anxiety, and it also acts as a disinfectant and can relieve inflammation. Oh, it just smells so good. I am obsessed with diffusing anything citrus. So this is going to be in the diffuser a lot, and I'm interested to see what we're going to do with it. Then we also have a small little guy of coriander. So coriander, sweet and herbal scented, and it stimulates appetite, relieves digestive issues, and improves your mood and increases focus. So let's give this one a quick sniff. It's kind of an invigorating scent to it. That's a little bit different. I haven't tried this one yet. And it comes from a fruit. I didn't know coriander came from a fruit. Very interesting. So there is that one. And then we have Amarise. I have no idea if I'm saying that right at all. But it is a relaxing and calming oil that helps improve the appearance of skin and has a mild vanilla-like scent with balsamic notes. And that sounds amazing to me. I love vanilla. I love balsamic. Let's see if I like Amarise. It's a very mild scent. That's interesting. And then, last but not least, the oil I'm the most excited about is Digest. So this one is a special Simply Earth blend, and it blends sweet orange, aniseed, bergamot, and German chamomile, and it helps to relieve nausea, gas, and bloating, and is a must-have to support your digestion. So I'm super excited for this. And I am hoping that we have a little roll-on for this. I'm thinking it'll really help the hubby with the whole digestion and stuff. I've heard lots of good things about different digest blends and making it a roll-on and rubbing on your tummy. So hopefully that is in here. And then every month, on top of those oils and recipe cards, we also get the little fixins we need to make the recipes. So this month we have some dried lavender flowers and magnesium flakes, and it does have some quick information on magnesium flakes. I won't read the whole thing. There is quite a bit of information here, but some things that it helps with. It's known to help fight depression, lower blood pressure, heal inflammation, prevent migraines, relieve PMS symptoms, and alleviate muscle cramps. So sounds pretty awesome. I'm excited to see what we do with this. And then we also have a little spray bottle and an inhaler. So we'll be using these in our little recipes. Alright, so the recipes we're going to make this month is a magnesium sleep spray, a sickness support bath soap, an anxiety away inhaler, magnesium whipped body butter, interesting, and a mood-lifting diffuser blend using blood orange and coriander. I am totally going to diffuse that right away. And perfect, just what I was hoping for, a Digest roll-on. So that's going to be the first thing I make. So I will tell you a little bit about the box, and then I'll actually make some of the DIY recipes with you. So stay tuned. A little bit about the box. It works, you can sign up for doing a monthly or quarterly subscription. It is $39.99 US per box. And with that, you get the 4 oils, the 6 recipe cards, and the little fixings you need to make everything. You have the option of finding out ahead of time what your box is actually going to get. So next month's box is all about home care. And when you log on, you can see what oils you're going to get, and if you know you really don't like a certain oil, you can actually swap it out, which I think is really, really cool. Not a lot of monthly subscriptions give you, that option of swapping out to really customize your box. So I think that's really great, and it's well worth your money spent for 40 bucks for 4 oils, plus learning how to use them and having a little fun creating these things. Simply Earth, also all of their oils 100% pure, so you don't have to worry about that. I do have a blog post with more information and why I like Simply Earth and feel good using them with my family. So if you're interested in that, I'll leave a link below so you can check that out. And I did just want to mention that they are so great at contributing for charitable causes. So 13% of their profits actually goes to help end human trafficking. So I think that's a really great thing. You can know that when you're getting this subscription box, not only is it awesome, you can feel safe using it around your family, and know that you're also helping support a great cause. So I think that's pretty cool. So we will make some DIY recipes, and stay tuned until the end for a really great coupon code so you can sign up. Okay, first up is the magnesium sleep spray, which I'm really excited about. We are going to take half a cup of boiling water and 1 tablespoon of those awesome magnesium flakes, mix them together until it's dissolved. Then we're going to mix separately a tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil, 6 drops of blood orange, and then 4 drops of Amarise. And again, I totally don't know how to say that properly. And so we give that a nice little stir, and then we are going to combine everything together. And so you just pour that baby in, give it a mix, and then we are going to pour it into the container that came with our little recipe box. But because the water is boiling, you want to be careful because the metal bottle can get a little hot. All right, next up is the Sickness Support Bath Soak. I wanted to show you guys because it's kind of fun and a nice thing to soak in when you're not feeling so good. So we're just going to mix together half a cup of bath salts and 2 tablespoons of magnesium flakes. Stir it all together, and then we do the same thing as the last recipe. We're going to mix together all of the oil separately. So that's 1 tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil, 3 drops of Amarise, and 2 drops of Digest. So we give that a good stir, and then we will be combining them, and you really need to mix it together to get the oil spread evenly throughout all of those bath salts. Then we are going to get 2 tablespoons of the dried lavender and mix that baby up, and then we are done. Cool, so those were a lot of fun to make. Thanks for staying tuned until the end. The coupon code I wanted to give you is HSF free, and that is going to give you the big bonus box, which is sitting here behind me. You get it every 6 months as well, and it's going to give you the carrier oils you need to make the recipes. So we have some solid coconut oil, fractionated coconut oil, and almond oil, plus a bunch of different roller bottles, some tiny little bottles which are great for your favorite diffuser blends, and then some beeswax as well. So Simply Earth really has you covered for everything you're going to need to make these little DIYs, which is a lot of fun. You also get a $20 gift card for future use in their shop, which I think is awesome. You can get some extra carrier oils or check out their different special blends and essential oils, and you can pick up some extras of those as well. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. And again, that coupon code is HSF free. You can use when you sign up for either monthly or quarterly Simply Earth Essential Oil DIY Recipe Box. Okay, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.